The real impacts of climate change and human rights. The international human rights law approach can be used as a basis for justifying legal protection for residents who have been due to environmental change or environmental effects through aspect human rights aspect can use reference to international legal products such as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights 1666, and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Political Rights Culture 1966. Remember the massive forest fires that occurred in the nation in 2019. The fires lasted a long time and harmed not only Indonesian but also neighboring countries. The fires were the result of the work of irresponsible persons who burned more than 4,000 of forests to clear land. As a result, these fires and estimated 709 million tons of carbon dioxide were said that about the same Canada, a now emission and 22% more than the Amazon. Forest which are estimated to emit 5.
The impact of the fire was detrimental to all parties. The World Bank said that Indonesia experienced 0.09% and 0.05% decline in economic growth in 2019 and 2020, respectively, due to forest fires. In his ratings, Arumi Dias on 2019 explains the impact of forest and land fires, where more than 900,000 people experience respiratory problems. People's daily activities are disrupted and many schools even close teaching and learning activities to avoid exposure to pollution caused by fires.
Some real-life examples show how extreme weather does exist and is now becoming more and more common in causing natural disaster. Among the events that are considered natural events, we also see forest fires occurring in the world forests for land clearing. Fires in the Gulf of Mexico due to leaks of underwater gas pipelines. Damage to coral reef due to massive fishing and not prioritizing environmental sustainability, and other events. It is undeniable that this event arise due to human activities carried out by irresponsible parties on a large scale that damage the environment, and some are carried out as part of business operation.
Climate change is not entirely caused with for example, and ask single as materials and cause and weeks in untrace use of electron and so on. However, companies who then some and then to be to be wants to accelerate limit science and most therefore it is very enter it are considered and oriented towards
In addition, 2020 Human Rights Festival, a parallel session organized by Invite with the theme Current Condition and Advocacy Strategy and Human on 70 December 2020, Assistant Deputy for Agro of the Coordination Ministry for Economic, Ida Gardaria, also emphasized the need for a human rights due diligence mechanism to audit of Chinese implementation. Conservation, both independently and by independent organization. This is a response to the encouragement of civil society organization, so that the government immediately establishes a national regulation umbrella on business and human rights to be able to apply the UNGPS, United Nations Guiding Principle on business and human rights in business and human rights.
It can be result of experience post-virus. Indonesian saw a loss of 0.09% to economic growth. As a result of this virus, the surrounding community experienced air pollution so that it interfered with those who wanted to do outdoor activities. Post-virus are caused by human before that does not protect the environment. Not all companies are stable experience climate change. This is community that express climate change. Of example that always as disposable item cause a boiled up of garbage. So this is very important for communities and companies to determine where their activities are prevented. Affect human rights. For example, to right to food, livelihood, Indonesia so far allows even neighboring countries have felt the impact to the post virus.